Hey guys, this is Gerald.
And Aubrey with Basket King Adventures.
And Aubrey wanted to show you the easiest, quickest way to blow up a big boat tube. You know, a lot of times you go to Walmart or Amazon, you can order these little pumps. And they work, but you know, they're a little time consuming, a little aggravating too. So Aubrey, what do you have in your hand there?
A leaf blower.
So we got a battery charged leaf blower, which by the way, that thing works good. Got it off Amazon. It's a good little leaf blower. But anyways, she's gonna show you just how quick it is to blow up a tube this size.
So what you do is you just take the top of the leaf blower and put it on top of the little hole that the air goes in, and then you turn it on.
There you go, guys. Look how fast it's blowing up. We had two valves to fill. This one here, which is the main valve of the tube, and then this one here, which is for this wall. So if you need to blow up any type of an inflatable, break out your leaf blower. You don't have to buy anything. All right, appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, and we've got more videos coming soon. Take care.